us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ricer Pontiac coming at you guys with another automotive video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to either fix a loose wire or replace your speaker on your Grand Am. I currently installed these about less than a month ago. The speakers that I have in them now are Sony, but yesterday when I got off of work, my dad pointed out that the right one wasn't as loud as the left one, and I'll show you guys what he meant by that. And what he meant by that, so what you want to do is you want to grab your phone and turn on the music that you want to test it. I have some sicko mode. But if you go to your radio and you click the menu button and then you go again and again, and then you balance left or right. So that's what the left sounds like. And then that's what the right sounds like. See how much more quieter that is? So if I balance it to the left again, all the way to the left, a lot louder. Right, so quiet. So yeah, so there's probably just a loose wire by the way it sounds. It would be blown. It doesn't sound like it'd be blown. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my tool to remove the door panel and all that, and then I'll probably just get a time lapse of me removing the door panel, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. The first thing you want to do is you're gonna want to grab a flathead screwdriver, a normal screwdriver, and then you're just gonna want to grab one of these like radio remover or panel clip remover things. You can get underneath the actual door panel when you're removing it to take it off. The first thing that you want to do is you want to grab your normal screwdriver and you want to find the three spots where the screws are, which will be right here, one right here underneath the part to pull and open the door, and then there's going to be one right underneath this door reflector panel thingy. Set that off to the side because you need it. But I'm going to get a time lapse of me removing these three screws, and I'll see you when I'm done. For some odd reason, this one screw right here does not want to come out. Even using a magnetic screwdriver to pull it out is not coming out, and I don't understand why. Finally, after 5 minutes, I got this stupid screw out. Then when you're done removing all three screws, you want to grab your panel clip to pry at the sides. And then before you do that, you just want to grab this and take that right off. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to work around from the bottom to the top right here. One thing I forgot to mention, before you rip off the door panel, don't forget to take your little tweeter cover off. Like I just forgot to take that off. And this is where your flathead screwdriver comes in, and where you can lift up the plastic tab parts, pull off all your electronics. This is the one thing I hate about doing door panels, is these stupid clips don't like to come off. Then when you remove the majority of the actual door panel, you're gonna have to remove the electrical stuff for the door lock and the window and all the regulator and stuff for that. But I'll show you guys how to do that. Another thing I forgot is that you have to actually remove the window lock and stuff before. Like, I haven't done this in a while, so I don't really remember that much, but now that I look at it, I forgot you had to pop this out, so yeah. Then you're going to want to disconnect the two clips right here that are controlling the window lock and the window, and then your panel should be able to come off. Then once you get this released, it's as simple as that. This just pulls off directly. Oh yeah, and one thing I forgot to mention, before you pull this off, there's going to be a screw right in between here that you have to remove. And then once you remove that screw, you should be able to take your door panel off like this. Make sure none of your wires get stuck or hit so that it won't rip them or tear them at all. Then once you have it off, you can just move your door panel right out of the way. Then you're going to want to locate your speaker, which mine is right there. And you're going to want to remove the screws out of that. Then once you have your speaker removed, you're going to want to put your keys once again in the ignition. Also grab your phone to test your song again. See if it was just a loose wire or if your speaker's actually blown. But like I said, I thought mine was just a loose wire. And right there, and I can already tell it's a loose wire. And just like that, the one wire right here, I could tell from before that it wasn't on all the way. So just like that, it's all fixed. Oh yeah, that sounds a lot better. I mean, look at that, bro. Pretty clean. So yeah, it's the same for all reinstallation. You gotta put those 3 screws in, and then you gotta put those in, and then just like that, it's all the same. So I'm gonna install this back in there, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. And just like that, it's back to normal. Besides, now you wanna grab your one reflector, and you're gonna wanna pop her back in like she was before. And just like that, it was like it was never even missing. But I'll show you guys what it sounds like now. Sounds a lot better. Except the song just ended and I don't know where my phone is.
You know, nowadays they couldn't say the shit they wanted to say. They had to fake orgasms.
Oh yeah. Sounds a lot better than what I did before. You can actually hear it from the right side. And I think that'll do it for this video. If I taught you guys something new, please hit the like button. And you might as well just subscribe. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, it'll be right here for you guys. But yeah, so I think that'll do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next automotive video. Peace.